Greeting lovely viewers and get ready to shine. In this video, we're uncovering 15 practical ways on how to glow up, helping you be your best self. Let's glow together. Step 1. Embrace change. See challenges as growth opportunities. Embracing new experiences fosters adaptability and resilience, crucial for your glow-up journey. Step 2. Set goals. Define clear and achievable goals for personal and professional growth. These goals provide you with a sense of direction, motivation, and a feeling of accomplishment as you work towards them. Step 3. Positive affirmations. Practice positive self-talk. Regularly affirming your self-worth and potential can significantly boost your self-esteem, build resilience, and help you overcome self-doubt. Step 4. Establish routine. Structure your daily life with a consistent routine. Creating a well-defined schedule not only helps reduce stress and bring organization, but also gives you a sense of purpose and direction. Step 5. Physical activity. Engage in regular physical exercise. Whether it's a workout, yoga, or a simple walk, regular activity releases endorphins, reduces stress, and enhances your body image. Step 6. Meditation. Cultivate mindfulness. Reduce stress, gain clarity, and manage emotions. Step 7. Prioritize sleep. Rest well. Improve mood, cognitive function, and appearance. Step 8. Limit social media. Be mindful of your social media usage. Managing your time on these platforms can help you build real-life connections, reduce negative comparisons, and improve your overall mental well-being. Step 9. Mindful eating. Choose nourishing foods. Improve digestion and foster a positive food relationship. Step 10. Improve posture. Stand tall. Boost confidence, spine health, and overall well-being. Step 11. Lifelong learning. Keep learning. Broaden horizons, boost confidence, and stay engaged. Step 12. Ground yourself. Connect with nature. Spending time outdoors, practicing mindfulness, and engaging in grounding exercises can help you find balance, reduce stress, and achieve inner peace. Step 13. Protect your energy. Set boundaries. Remove toxicity and nurture positive relationships. Step 14. Skincare and hair care. Invest in health. Boost confidence, self-care, and overall glow. Step 15. Appearance effort. Dress confidently. Impact mood, self-perception, and inner radiance. Integrate these steps for a holistic transformation, cultivating a radiant glow from within.